You know him, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, what's up?
Yeah, make sure you get our next race. I'm a dog. Man. Make sure you get it.
Man,
Good morning, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, good morning.
4 months ago, bro. 5 months ago.
Man, that shit done got higher, fool. When inflation hit, I got hurt. I thought I was balling. Nah, I'm gonna get them back. Oh, what's up with it, man? Belly racing. Good morning, good morning.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to say. Baby, cut right here. My fault.
No problem, no problem. Oh no. Ida. Ida. ¿Qué? Dang, they all the way back here today, y'all. A lot of street cars. Look out, look out. Not much chilling on.
Well, you add the extra 390 pounds to your car, and you got the hit.
Raffle. They coming for you, Raffle. All the trucks.
You did.
Raffle. They coming for you. You better get your tune on. Just all they need to hear you say is I'm ready. That's all you need to say. I'm ready.
I'm out here.
Your shit out here too? They coming for you.
As long as they sit like me,
No, ain't no shit like you. You gotta run. You gonna have to go against the moonshine truck.
Why not?
Yeah, you got yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, LS.
you see my truck? My shit full interior, got jams and everything.
Yeah, LC put a system in this shit, man. Double
If
then.
that weighs $39.90, hell yeah, you got
All right, bet. He got a deal, y'all. $39.90. We got the 660 street truck. Hey, y'all, what's up with it, man? I seen you a while ago doing your thing. You on my YouTube channel?
What is it?
Lookout Racing.
Look out?
Yeah.
I look at it.
Already, man. I would. Let me get you a card one time for the one time. I think I got a card in here. Dang, man. Girl, hold this one time for the one time, man. I'm gonna get him a card, man. I got an extra. Here it go, right here. Damn. Y'all, sure that thing here. Get one for the back seat, too. Already. I appreciate y'all, man. I got you earlier.
I got door panel. Look at this suede.
Oh, you got a sword?
My shit not a race truck, boy. My daughter drives this motherfucker.
Well, we gotta.
And look.
Let me see what it is.
I got double din fucking.
Yeah, she got a double din, right?
Suede. My dash, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, that dash don't even work.
Huh? Bet it does. Bet it does.
I'm just fucking rich on camera.
Bam.
That damn ass dash.
Yeah,
that was.
The speedometer don't work.
I know.
The oil pressure don't work. My temperature does.
The only thing working is the temperature. All you need.
And the battery.
And the battery.
Temperature and battery. And a damn ass light.
Hey, look, that truck got a Fort Worth, that red one, he'll fuck you
I
up.
try them. I already told them.
Yeah.
I told him head up.
Oh, that red truck?
Yeah, I told him.
Funkytown told me to bet with him.
What's up, Gatsby?
Yeah, that you gotta put on some Pimp C or something.
Nah, that was good, man.
Nah, that wasn't. I ain't like it.
Oh, you ain't like that shit?
Nah, I didn't like it.
Man, I like all that shit, man. I jam all that shit.
Okay, he cut off. Okay, he got it back. Oh, he didn't cut it back off. Damn. Where y'all gonna bet at, man? They gonna raise one day. Man, I want a snack, fool. I need at least one taco right now. That'll be good. One taco? Ooh. I do want one. Let's go back up here. Y'all gonna hit that like button. I'm finna go back up here. While I go up here, y'all hit that like for sure. What's up with it, man? Attention in the pits. Attention in the pits. Ooh, he got them rims, y'all. Nah, I'm finna get some. I'm finna re-up, man. I gotta get. I got some girl beanies, man. They been buying everything, and then I be having to buy that stuff out of my pocket and hope it sell. And I had messed up bought a whole bunch of shirts they ain't sell. So now I did okay on the other stuff. I just need to redo it again. Which I already got new hoodies. This time I went zip ups, and I got yeah, I got some new design coming out in the back. Yeah, new design. Get what it gonna say? One time for the one time. You hear me? Yeah, one time for the one time. I'm gonna have it. Then I was trying to see what kind of pictures. I'll probably put a turbo on there, Nike bottle. Yeah, you can tell anybody that, man. Just one time for that's it, man. Just one time. I'm coming out. And the Nürburgring Scott. Mike say he gonna get him one. They taking a long time this time. Nah, we really don't see what you mean though. Oh, I do. I know what you mean.
Like us racers gotta go park in the third.
Yeah, man. Look, man, all this free space, man. What they gonna do with this?
It should be a parking lot.
Yeah, man.
We should be able to park. All these cars don't even raise. What does it matter if they get